Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore default settings on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to have Viber open on your device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various features and settings within the app. Once you're in that menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can configure and customize your Viber experience, from notifications to privacy controls. The Settings menu is essentially your control center for managing how Viber works on your device. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see several categories listed. Navigate to the option labeled General and tap on it. This section contains fundamental settings that affect the overall behavior of your Viber application, including language preferences, data usage, and other core features. Inside the general settings, scroll through the options until you find Restore Viber Defaults. This is the feature that allows you to reset all your customized settings back to how they were when you first installed the app. It's particularly useful if you've made changes that aren't working well for you or if you're experiencing issues and want to start fresh. Go ahead and tap on Restore Viber Defaults. As soon as you do this, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is an important safety measure that Viber includes to make sure you don't accidentally reset your settings. The app wants to confirm that you really intend to restore everything back to the default configuration. When that confirmation message pops up, simply tap Continue. Once you do this, Viber will immediately begin restoring all settings to their original defaults. This process happens instantly, so you won't need to wait for any loading or processing time. And that's it. You've successfully restored your Viber settings to their default state, clearing out any custom configurations you had previously set up. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.